Don't be afraid, kiddoos. I'm the Sandman. I've been waiting for someone kind like you.
I wandered down a dusty land. A whisper floated through the trees. Come this way, come follow me. Follow me. Past the streets and past the walls, through a tiny hidden hall. The road was gone, the trees were too. Only golden sand I knew. Who's that rising from the ground, made of sand without a sound? Eyes so kind but dry as stone. The Sandman standing all alone. My name, his voice was small. I need some help, I'm thirsty, pal. His hands were cracked, his lips were dry. I couldn't just walk on by. I took my bottle, cool and clear, poured the water without fear. The Sandman smiled, the sand turned bright. His dusty arms grew strong and light. From the ground, made of sand without a sound. Now he smiles, now he stands. A friend was made in golden sands. He bent down low and said to me, "Thank you, boy, you set me free. When your day is dark and cold, I'll be there, brave and bold." Under the sun we made a vow. I helped him then, he'll help me somehow. Two hearts met where the soft winds ran. A little boy and the Sandman.
Hello, kiddoos. If you liked our adventure, tap this magic button. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More magic is just around the corner.